Hello again, everybody. Sorry about that, but as usual, my storage ran out, so we got cut off. I'm going to continue on with number 14 where we left off. We had the fraction of 7/10. We wanted to turn that into hundredths. So since we multiplied the denominator of 10 times 10 to get to 100, we have to multiply the numerator of 7 also times 10, which would give us 70, which is 70 over 100, or as a decimal, 0.70. Both read 70 hundredths. Okay, number 15, we had some money. It says Elaine found the following in her pocket. How much was in her pocket? If you could look right there, you see $1, a quarter, a dime, and a nickel. Well, we know $1 is worth 1.00, or one whole. A quarter is 0.25. A dime is 0.10, and a nickel is 0.05. And if you guys just look at the money and add it all up, you know you end up with $1.40. And you would write that as $1 decimal point 40. Okay, and it's $1.40. Okay, number 16. Three girls share 60 cents, 0.60. Each girl gets the same amount. How much did each girl get? I'm going to show you on the board behind me how I did this, but what I did was I basically took the 60 cents and made that into 6 dimes, which would be 0.10 6 times. And then basically what I did, I know I had 3 girls, so I broke it up into groups of 3, and I put 1 dime for the 3 girls, and there were still 3 dimes left over, so I added 1 dime to each of the girls again. And if you notice, they would each have 2 dimes or 20 cents, which would be 0.20 with a dollar sign. Okay, and finally, number 17. The deli scale weighs meat and cheese in hundredths of a pound. Sam put 5/10 of a pound of pepperoni on the deli scale. What weight does the deli scale show? You have to turn 5/10 into something over 100 because the scale only shows hundredths. So you would put 5 over 10 equals blank over 100. Look at the denominator. 10 times 10 would give you 100. So do same thing to the numerator. 5 times 10 gives you 50. Therefore, your answer would be 0.50 pound. Okay, I'm going to show you on the board the actual work I did for you. We're now looking at numbers 14 through 17, the colored ones at the bottom. Okay, we see 14 starts in, I believe, purple. Yep, 14 starts in purple. And you see how I turned 7/10 into 70 over 100. Or 0.70. Number 15, we had $1 plus 25 hundredths plus 10 hundredths plus 5 hundredths, or in coins and dollars, that equaled $1.40. 16, see how I took the dimes? I took the 60 cents and turned it into 6 dimes. And then I gave each girl 2 dimes, which would come out to 0.20 or 20 cents. And then number 17 at the bottom, we had 5/10. We had to turn that into hundredths. So as you see, I did 5 over 10 times 10 over 10. That gives me 50 over 100, or 50 hundredths, and 50 hundredths of a pound. Okay? So I hope you did well on that mid-chapter checkpoint. We're going to have a chapter test next week. Hope you're doing well, and I will talk to you soon. So long.